Hey, listen. I hear it was that cracking noise again. Humpty, that's you. Is that Humpty Dumpty again falling off the wall? Everybody, I tell you, Humpty, you gotta behave yourself back there, buddy. Can you tell Humpty Dumpty to stop falling off the wall? Say, Humpty Dumpty, stop falling off the wall. Great! Did you hear that, Humpty? You keep falling off that wall. Oh, I guess we have to sing. It's time to sing Humpty Dumpty song. Can you help me sing the Humpty Dumpty song, boys and girls? Great! Let's begin. Oh, let's get the pointer. Zzz. Here's the pointer. All right, Pete. Pete the cat, you sing with us today now. You be a good Pete back there, okay? All right. You're Pete. Hopefully he's going to be good today. All right, here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty together again. Why? Because Humpty was an egg. That's right, Humpty was an egg. And that is why the king, horses, the men couldn't put Humpty back together again, because Humpty has fallen off of that wall again. And they having a hard time putting him back together. Wonderful. Did you enjoy that Humpty Dumpty song? That is one of the favorite nursery rhymes of the week. Humpty Dumpty. All right, Humpty, get it together, all right? Okay, we hope Humpty Dumpty does well when it concerns him sitting still on that wall so he doesn't fall. Mr. Humpty Dumpty. Oh, I hear something, I hear some sounds. Oh, what is that sound? I hear the sound of, listen to that. Do you hear it? Is that the sound of a party? Somebody's having a party today. Is it you? What about you? Ah, the party that is going on today is a birthday party. Are you celebrating your birthday today? What? You are? Wow! Congratulations! You are a year older, and we are going to sing happy birthday to you. All right, Pete, you ready? All right, sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Great! Happy birthday to you. How old are you today? Oh, there it is. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Oh, wow, that is a nice age. You are 4 years old? Great! And everyone out there that is of other ages, whether you're 1 year old, 2 year old, 3 year old, 4, 5, whatever your age is, happy birthday to you as well. Wow, we're excited you're celebrating another birthday. And I know you're going to eat all of that cake. Ooh, cake. Maybe a chocolate cake, strawberry cake. Ooh, some may like carrot cakes. I don't know. Vanilla cake. Whatever kind of cake it is, I know you're going to enjoy it. You're going to eat it, get down in your bed. belly, and you're going to say, this cake tastes so good. Great. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Listen, we have to get to the lesson of colors again today, boys and girls. Look at all of these colors that are in the crayon box. Do you see all of those colors in the crayon box? Let's see our colors one more time today. Once again, what color is this? This is the color red. 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 Great! The next color that you see here is orange. 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 Great. You sound wonderful. What is the next color, boys and girls? What is that color? Look at that color. What is it? The next color is yellow. 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 Wow, you're smart. What is the next color, boys and girls? What is the next color of the crayon? The next color of the crayon is green. 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 The next color is green. Good job. What about the next color, boys and girls? Do you see the next color? Pete, do you see the next color? What is the next color, Pete? What is the next color? Ooh, did you hear Pete? The next color Pete says is the color blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Blue. Great! You said the color blue. Wonderful. All right, boys and girls, the crayons are on a wave. Oh, they may be at the ocean. No, they're not at the ocean. They're right here in my hands. But what is that next color? The next color on the crayon is the color purple. Can you say purple? Purple. Purple. Great! You said the color purple. Wonderful. All right, boys and girls, what is the next color? What is the next color that you see on the color crayon chart? Is the color brown. Can you say brown? Brown. Brown. Wow, I tell you, you are so smart. And there is another color that is on the color crayon chart. What could that color be? What is that color, boys and girls, that you see? What is the color? Is it red? No, it's not the color red. What about orange? No, it's not the color orange. What about purple? Is this the color purple? No. Right, that is not the color purple. What is the last color on the color chart, boys and girls? It is the color black. 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 Can you say black? Black. Black. Wonderful. You said the color black. Outstanding. All right, we have two colors on the side over here. We're learning about these two colors again. The two colors on the side is red, orange. Can you say red, orange? Very good, boys and girls. Thank you for saying your colors today. And again, I am so excited you're learning your colors. Outstanding. Wow, this is so nice. I like this color, this color chart. Now, I have a special treat. What would be a learning session if it wasn't a session about reading? Because readers are leaders, and today's book presentation is The Treasure Map. Story by Sharon L. Young. Illustrations by Greg W. Scott. Let's get into this book. All right, readers, are you ready? All right, reader leaders. The Treasure Map. Look at them. They're outside, look like they're in the yard or the park, and they're looking at the treasure map. Three steps to the tree. He's walking over to the tree. He's grabbed onto a tree branch and he's swinging from the tree with the treasure map. What is the next step? Let's find out. So after 3 steps to the tree, next they're taking 3 steps to the lock. 3 steps, 3 steps, 3 steps to the lock. 3 steps, 3 steps, 3 steps to the lock. Look at that. Do you see that, Pete? Leo, Tyler? All right, wonderful. Glad you can see. After they take 3 steps to the tree and 3 steps to the lock, finally, the whole gang take 3 steps to make 3 wishes. Wow, look at them. Look like they're having a good time. They found the treasure. Wow, this is an outstanding book. The Treasure Map, Harry's Math Books. Learning about numbers. Do you know how to count from 1 to 10, boys and girls? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers, 10 fingers, 10 fingers, 10 fingers. Can you wiggle your fingers like this, boys and girls? All right, you are a finger wiggler. Look, I'm wiggling mine as well. Oh, I can imagine in my mind's eye you wiggling those fingers you are wiggling and having such a wonderful time wiggling your fingers. Well, that concludes today's lesson, and I am so excited that you were able to join in with me today to do some educational learning. But stay tuned. Pete and I and Leo and Tyler, we have an exciting lesson for you in our next broadcast that you don't want to miss. Because in the next lesson, there are more surprises and also a secret surprise. Remember, you are wonderful, you are smart, you are educational, you are intelligent, learning your education, because here at Circle Time Kids Club, we want you to live and be your very best as we inspire to help you reach higher. All right, Pete, let's let everybody know. Have a wonderful day. Leo, Tyler, wave your hand. All right, Leo and Tyler, can you wave back at them? All right, you have a wonderful day. And remember that you are smart.